Hello my dear students. Now we are going to solve some problems in our last exercise. For the first problem, write the expanded form of this type of things, all are power 3. So for that, first of all you need to study that identity, already it's introduced. Suppose the first identity a plus b whole power 3. In 2a of answer you can write. One is expanded form, this one is a cube plus 3, reduce the power, that is a squared into b plus 3ab squared plus b power 3. Or other way, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab is common now, so 3ab into a plus b. So for that you are going to use such type of identity. So for the first problem given like that. So 2x plus 1 to the power 3. So a equal to 2x and b equal to 1. So a equal to. You are going to use this thing. So a power 3. So 2x power 3 plus 3 into 2x the whole square into b 1 plus 3 2x into 1 square. Then plus b power 3, that is 1 power 3. Now this thing is 2 power 3 into x power 3 plus 3 into 2 squared into x squared into 1, no need to write, plus 3 into 2 into x into 1 squared is 1 plus 1 power 3 is 1. So 2 power 3 value, so 2 power 3 value 8. So 8x power 3 plus, you think that 3 into 2 squared value 4, so 3 4s are 12 x squared plus 3 2s are 6x, then plus 1. So this is the expanded form of the first one, 2x plus 1 the whole power 3. Okay. Similarly, you are going to solve the remaining problems. So for that, the second identity, suppose a minus b whole power 3 equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b power 3. So for that you can write other form, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This identity also you can use. So for that, the problem is given b 2a minus 3b the whole power 3. I am going to use this thing, this is the expanded form. So now 2a minus 3b whole power 3 is 2a the whole power, first term is 2a, second term 3b, substitute 2a whole power 3 minus 3 into 2a whole power 2 into b 3b, don't substitute minus 3b. This is the confusion part of our student. So don't substitute minus 3b, substitute 3b. So here first term a 2a, second term 3b. Substitute here a 2a and b 3b. Don't substitute with the sign. For positive no problem, but your negative you need to substitute your things. Right. Next one, plus 3ab squared, that is 2a into 3b the whole power 2. Then plus, then minus b power 3, so 3b whole power 3. Now this thing we can write, so 2 power 3 a power 3 minus 3 into 2 squared into a squared into 3b, here plus 3 into 2a into 3 squared into b squared minus 3 power 3 into b power 3. So 2 power 3 value 8, so 8a power 3 minus, here 2 squared value 4, so 3 into 4 into the number, another one 3. 3 into 4 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. So 36b, similarly plus 3 squared. So 3 into 2. 3 squared value 9. 3 2s are 6. 6 9s are 54. So 54 b squared minus 3 power 3 27. 27 b power 3. This is the expanded form of second one. Right. Similarly, consider the third one, C. 3 by 2 into x plus 1 to the power 3. We are going to use first one, a cube plus b. For a equal to consider 3 by 2x and b equal to just consider 1. A cube. 3 by 2 into x the whole square plus 3 into 3 by 2 into x the whole square, so power 3, no, power 3, sorry, into b value 1 plus 3 into a, 3 by 2 into x, b value 1 square, so 1 square, plus b power 3, so 1 power 3. So for that 3, here you can use your power 3 in all the terms. So that is 3 power 3 divided by 2 power 3 into x power 3 plus 3 into 3 squared by 2 squared into x squared into 1, no need to write. Then plus 3 into 3 by 2 into x into 1 squared is 1, no need to write. Plus 1 power 3 is 1. Now you can cancel your term if it is possible, otherwise just multiply and write. Now 3 power 3 value 27, 2 power 3 value 8, so 27 by 8 x power 3 plus 3 squared 9, 3 9s are 27, so 27 by 2 squared value 4 x squared plus 3 into 3 9 by 2 into x plus 1. This is the expanded form of third problem. Next. Similarly, x minus 2 by 3 into y whole power 3. So we need to use the a minus b whole cube identity. So x minus 2 by 3 into y to the power 3 equal to the same thing. In the place of a you have x. In the place of b you have 2 by 3y. Don't consider minus 2 by 3y. This is important. So for that, so a value x power 3 minus 3 into x squared into b value 2 by 3y plus 3x into 2 by 3y the whole square plus minus 2 by 3y to the power 3. Substitute a and b value. Now you may write this one as x power 3 minus 3x squared into 2 by 3 into y plus 3 into x into 2 squared divided by 3 squared into y minus 2 power 3 by 3 power 3 into y power 3. So x power 3 minus, here product we can cancel this 3, so you can cancel. So minus 2 x squared y plus 3 you can cancel. So 3 after cancelling this 2 squared, no, so 4, here we have 1 3 by 3 xy. Sorry, here y squared, no, so y squared because of y the whole square minus 2 power 3 8 divided by 3 power 3 27 y power 3. This is the expanded form of this problem D. Like that you can write. Okay. Next, evaluate this type of problem. I am not going to give that exact answer. Idea only I am going to give for the problem. You need to multiply. For that, third one, first problem, 99 power 3. You can write 99 as 100 minus 1 to the power 3. Both form you can use, but second one is, that is second is easy to find this value. So a equal to 100 and b equal to 1, like that you can use. So for that a minus b whole power 3 equal to a to the power 3 minus b power 3, 1 power 3 minus 3 into 100 into 1 into a minus b, that is 100 minus 1. So 10 power 3, that is power 3, no, 100 into 100 into 100. 100 into 100 into 100. 1, 2, 6, 0. So 6, 0 type. Minus 1. Minus 3 into 100 into 1, 100. 100 into 1, 99. So now, minus 1, then minus 3 into 99. 99 into 3. 297. 3 into 99 is 297. Then now do this problem. So subtract this value. Minus addition 29701. Subtract this value, we can give your answer. Subtract by yourself and give this answer. So the idea is, if it's nearest 100 means use 100, 1000 means use 1000, and expand by using either a minus b or a plus b. Here we need to use a minus b whole power 3 because of 100 minus 1 is 99. Similarly, next problem, 102. So 102 we can write as 102 power 3, we can write as 100 power 3 plus 100 plus 2 the whole power 3. So this plus, no, we can use this thing, 100 power 3 plus 2 power 3 plus 3 into 100 into 2 into 100 plus 2. So 100 power 3, 60, plus 2 power 3, 8, plus 3 into 2, 6. So 600 into 102. So that is 10,000, 6 zeros plus 102 into 6, 612. Addition of this one is final answer. Like that you can do. The next problem, 998 power 3. 998 power 3. We can write 1000 minus 2 whole power 3. As per your 99 power 3, you will do this problem. So 1000 power 3 minus 2 power 3 minus 3 into 1000 into 2 into 1000 minus 2. So 1000 power 3 is 1000, we need to multiply 3 times. So 1 000, next 000, next 000. Minus 2 power 3, 8. Minus 3 into 2, 6. Then 6000 into 1000 minus 2, 998. So now multiply this value and that's addition of this, finally do this problem. Okay, so like that you need to find by using your identity. Okay. Next problem, factorize 8a cube, this and all given using the same identity. What is the identity here actually given? 8a cube plus b cube, like that given. So now we are going to use such type of identity. It's all are in AB, no? So I am going to change your identity as XY. So for better choice, you can choose in XY or AB. It's your choice. Suppose the identity, that expanded form given, so I am going to write only the expanded form. So x plus y the whole power 3 equal to x power 3 plus 3x squared y plus 3x y squared plus y power 3. For the first problem, a power 3, b power 3 given. Now 8 we need to write cube. So 8 we can write 2 into 2. 8 we can write 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 power 3. first problem we can write 2 power 3 a power 3 plus b power 3. Now you know that you can identify x is equal to 2a, in the place of y you have b. Like that you are going to separate your terms. So plus 3, we are going to use this thing 3 ab written no, that is xy written no 2a, so you are going to split like that 3 x square, that is 2a the whole square form into b plus 3 x, that is 2a into b square plus b power, already it's b power 3, no need to write, so plus b power 3. Okay, so you can write here itself b power 3, no need for this, you can write x power 3 plus y power 3. Now we can check this number is 12 or not, because 3 into 2 squared value 4, 3 4s are 12 given, 3 into 2 is 6 given. So you can write it directly, this one is 2a whole power 3 plus b power 3 plus 3 into 2a whole squared into b plus 3 2a into b square, b the whole square. So you can write in the place of x 2a, in the place of y b whole power 3. So the factorization actually 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b, this is our answer. Okay. Similarly, you are going to write the next problem, its minus involves, you are going to use the identity x minus y whole power 3. So x power 3 minus y power 3 minus 3 x squared y plus 3x y squared, this is our identity. So now just compare 8 a power 3 as it is 8 a power 3. So I am going to write a power 3 as 2 power 3 into a power 3 minus b power 3, and next minus given no, so 12 already given. Compare the same thing, where it's minus in b we can write, how it's possible, here we have minus no, so minus 3 into, we identified x is equal to 2a and y equal to b here. Like that you need to identify. For that, here 3 into 2a the whole square into b and plus 3 into 2a into b the whole square. Like that you can split. Now you can compare with your identity, that is 2a the whole power 3 minus b power 3 minus, because of 2 squared 4, 3 4s are 12, it's given. So 3 into 2a the whole square, a squared given no, so I can use square, into b plus 3 into 2a into b square. So you can compare this, I can write this one 2a minus b the whole power 3. So you can realize that the first one and the second one, in the first one x, so positive, second one y, it's negative no, like that given. So think plus minus minus plus, that is in the place of y power 1 you have minus, in the place of y power 3 you have minus, in the power of odd number you have minus. So like that check, here b power 3 odd power minus, b power 1 odd power you have minus. So you can use the identity x minus y whole power 3. So the factorization of this one 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b is the answer. Right. Similarly, next problem, this. Now 27 we are going to write as a perfect cube number 3 into 3 into 3, so 3 power 3. So third, so 27 we can write 3 power 3. 125 we can write as 5 power 3 minus 5 power 3 into a power 3. From these two we can identify what is our x value. What is our x value? 3. What is our y value? 5 power 3 into a power 3 we can write 5a whole power 3. So in the place of y you can use 5a. So 5a. The place of y just use 5a. So minuses occurs, so you can use this identity. So that is minus 3 into a. So 3 squared into 5a. Check with your number. 135 is there or not? 3 into 9. So 27 into 5. 5, 3, 135. 135 is there. Like that we can split two term. Or just to use the prime factorization of 135. 3 and 5 it's possible. Just use prime factorization. You can add 3 squared into 5. Next, plus 3 into x. You have 3. In the place of y you have 5 as the whole square. Check with your number. 3 already. 3 so 9. Here 5 into a, that is 5a the whole square. We can write 5 squared into a square. So here 25 into a. The numbers 9 into 25, 225. The numbers 9 into 5 squared, so 225 is there. So you can write this thing. So automatically you can use this identity a cube minus b cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared or x minus y whole cube. So that is 3 minus 5a the whole cube. So 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a is the factorization of this problem. Okay. Similarly, come to next problems. 64a power 3. 64, we need to find the prime factorization, and anyway it's a perfect cube number. We know that 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64. So we can write this one is 4 power 3. So 64a power 3. So I am going to write 4 power 3 a power 3. Next is 27 we are going to write. 27 is a perfect cube number. We can write 27 as 3 power 3. So minus 3 power 3 into b power 3. From this you can identify 4 power 3 and a power 3 as 4a whole power 3 and 3 power 3 b power 3 we can write 3b whole power 3. We need to write this one whole power 3. So for that I can write x is equal to 4a and y equal to 3b. You can use this thing. Already we know that how to identify your x value, y value by the perfect cube number. We return. Now you can use this identity. So for that you are going to write minus 3 into 4a the whole square into 3b. Check. 3 into 4 squared into 3, that is 3 into 16 into 3, we need that number. So 9 into 16, so that is 144. 144 is there. So it's correct. So like that you can split. Next, plus 3 into 4a, that is x into y square, 3b the whole square. Now check. 3 into 4 into this 3 square. So 3 into 3 square, 3 power 3, so 27 into 4. 108 is there. So like that you can identify your a and b or x and y by using your cube. Here 4 power 3 a power 3, so 4a is first term. Here 3 power 3 a power 3, so 3b it's the second term. Just use your identity. So you can write this one as 4a the whole power 3 minus 3b the whole power 3 minus 3 into 4a whole square into 3b plus 3 into 4a into 3b the whole square. Compare with your identity. So you can write 4a, that is x minus y, 4a minus 3b whole power 3, factor 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b is your answer. That is the factor. Okay. Now come to the next problem. It's important because of division we confuse it. Anyway, we are going to use the identity carefully. 27b power 3. 27 is a perfect cube number. So we can write 27 as 3 power 3 and b power 3. Next 216. It's a perfect cube number. 6 power 3. 6 power 3 value. 6 into 6 into 6 value 216. So 216 we can write 6 power 3. But anyway, 1 divided by 216 we can write 1 power 3 divided by 6 power 3, like that we can split. After that you can realize that this one is definitely x value 3 power 3 and b power 3 we can write 3p, and y value 1 power 3 divided by 3, it's 1 by 6 whole power 3, y value 1 by 6. Okay, you identify what's your x value and what's your y value. Now substitute here, that is minus. I have written x cube minus y cube. Now x equal to 3b and y equal to 1 by 6. So 3 into 3p the whole square into y 1 by 6 plus 3 into x value into y square 1 by 6 the whole square. Now check whether this number is possible or not. So that is 3p whole power 3 minus 1 by 6 whole power 3 minus multiply this 3 into 3 squared into p squared into 1 by 6 plus 3 into 3p into 1 squared is 1, 6 squared is 6 into 6. So now just you can cancel this term because here 3, 2. So 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is there. And 3 to 2, 3. So p divided by 4 is there. So this is actually 3p whole power 3 minus 1 by 6 whole power 3 minus 9p squared by 2 plus 1 by 4p. This is possible from your identity. So you can write directly, this one is 3p minus 1 by 6 the whole power 3, a minus b whole power 3. So that is 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. Like that you can find your answer. Then come to the verification part, this problem. So just to verify means left hand side is given with the problem x cube plus y cube, and the right hand side we need to find the same x cube plus y cube for your end, x plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared. So that is product multiply 1 by 1, x into x squared x power 3, x into xy x squared y, x into y squared xy squared, and plus y into x squared, that is x squared y, minus x into y squared plus y power 3. Now x power 3 plus y power 3, identity x power 3 plus y power 3, x squared y plus minus and plus cancel, plus xy squared you can cancel, x power 3 plus y power 3. So left hand side equal to right hand side, that is x cube plus y cube equal to x cube plus y cube, like that you can verify. Right. Similarly, next one given x cube minus y cube, left hand side given x cube minus y cube, right side given x minus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared, multiply 1 by 1, x with x squared, so x power 3 x with xy, so x squared y, x with y power 3, sorry y power 2, xy squared. Next minus with this, minus x squared y, minus, so minus xy squared, then minus y power 3. Once again, x squared y, minus x squared y, you can cancel. xy squared, you can cancel. You can cancel your like terms. So x power 3 minus y power 3 is your right hand side. So therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. So it's verified. Like that you can give your answer. Thank you. Using this, you are going to split you are going to solve our next problem. So for that, 27y cube plus 125, this problem, 27y cube. 27 is a perfect cube number. We can write 27 as 3 power 3 y power 3 plus 125 we can write 5 power 3 plus z power 5 power 3 into z power 3. So we can write this thing as 3y whole power 3 plus 5z whole power 3. So you can write a cube plus b cube like identity. So 3y plus 5z into 3y the square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z square. So that is 3y plus 5z into 3y the whole square, 3 squared y square. So 9y squared minus 3 5s are 15yz plus 5z whole square. So 25z square. That is 5 squared 25. So this is your that expansion. Similarly, second problem, 64 m power 3. 64 already you know that it's a perfect cube number, 4 power 3. So 4 power 3 m power 3 minus 3 4 3 is 7 power 3. 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 36. So 7 power 3 n power 3. So you can combine this. So 4m the whole power 3 minus 7m whole power 3. Now in the place of x you have 4m, in the place of y you have 7m. You can use this identity. So that is 4m minus 7n into 4m the whole square plus 4m into 7n then plus 7n the whole square. So 4m minus 7n into this one 4 square m square, so 16m square plus 4 7s are 28 mn plus 7 square 49 m square. So this is your expansion of our next problem. Thank you.